back home, girl. Today we went shopping at Ikea, and honestly, truly, I did not find anything that I was looking for. The purpose of this Ikea trip today was for kitchen organization, and I just wasn't really feeling what they had available, but I still managed to find a few things, so let's get into it. First of all, Ikea's bag will always be iconic, okay? Ikea said we're gonna give you fashion, all right? So we're going to start things off with dining, cupware, glassware, things of that nature. These glass cups were calling my name. I love them only because they're super tiny. I have this weird obsession with miniature things. I don't know what it is. I don't know why I'm obsessed with it, but anything that's like super small than the normal size, I just have some feeling about it. So these two cups definitely were calling my name. With me being a toddler mom, these cups honestly would be perfect for toddlers as well. The only thing is that they are glass. If your toddler is clumsy, which they probably all are, this may be an accident waiting to happen. But these cups are super cute. Also, these cups would probably be good for portion control, especially for my girls who drink coffee. Now, I'm not a coffee type of girl, but juice, these cups will definitely make sure you're not over consuming sugary drinks, okay? And most importantly, they were super affordable. We love that. I know I just said I'm not a coffee girl, but I am a chai tea drinker. And one thing about me, I am a sucker for a cute mug. I'm always on the hunt for like a sleek and modern, very simple, simplistic mug. This little mug definitely checked out all the requirements for the perfect mug for me. They also have the mugs that come with the cork saucer. I thought about getting that one, but I don't know. I just end up getting this one. And most importantly, again, these are super affordable. Moving on to dishware, your girl is in desperate need of dishes, honey. I need some plates and bowls. I am quick to pick something on a paper plate, okay? Do not let the vibes and aesthetics fool you. I am a paper plate type of girl, and I want to get out of that habit. So I got these plates from Ikea. I am a sucker for white plates. I love a good white plate because it reminds me of a paper plate. Okay, no. But these are the perfect plates. They're thin, they're not too big. Again, portion control because I am trying to lose some weight. So having a smaller plate is definitely good for me, okay? Ikea is well known for having affordable dishware. And these plates are definitely affordable and they look beautiful. And you know, the aesthetics for Instagram, showing off my dinners. You know how it is, girl. If you know, you know. I love the color black inside of my home. It's just so me. I just love how it looks. And these bowls spoke to me because of that reason. I love the texture on these bowls, and I also enjoy that they are super deep dish. I am a lover of pasta. And when you eat pasta, you need a big bowl. I don't like having pasta on a plate. I like having pasta in like one of these kind of plate bowl situations. So this is perfect. And I only picked up two because it's just me and baby girl. Fun fact, y'all, I do not have guests at the house. I am not the hostess with the mostest, okay? So I do not have a lot of dishware, glassware, because it's just me, honey, it's just me. So moving on to the purpose of this whole entire trip to Ikea, we're going to talk about a few of the organization things that I picked up. So starting off, I did buy this like silverware organizer here. It's just a regular simple plastic organizer. They do have another type of organizer that's more of like a bamboo type of texture or material, but I opted to go with it to simple white. That way, if I need to switch them or change them out, it's very easy to do so. You can do a quick wipe, clean out. And the one thing that I keep saying in this video remains true for this item as well. It was super affordable and I think it's gonna be a great asset, okay, to my kitchen because right now I don't have any type of organization. So having my silverware, forks, spoons, everything organized is really gonna help me out in the kitchen. Now this is something that I definitely wanted to pick up. It is like a dishware organizer, pot organizer, however you want to use it type of organizer. But pretty much you put it into the drawer as an insert. And if you can see here, you see how the plates are kind of stacked inside nicely. I'll also have a little insert within this video to show you exactly how you're supposed to use this. I think this was about $25. Girl, let me tell you, I'm super excited for this particular item. I don't know if the pegs are going to be large enough to organize my pots or if I'm only going to be able to strictly use it for my dishes, but having organized dishware, pots, maybe even Tupperware. I didn't even think about that. I may can use this for like my little Tupperware. All I know is that this is going to come in handy for me because I love to see like a really nice put together cabinet. You have all your dishes and glassware. It's just all perfect and magazine-like. That's my dream. Because right now, I told you I eat on paper plates now. Don't judge me. Girl, one thing that I always say about Ikea is that I do not like the fact that I have to put stuff together myself. Now this honestly looks pretty simple, okay? It looks pretty simple just looking at the supplies you're given to put this together, but girl, I'm just not a handy type of chick, okay? That's just not my cup of tea. Like, I'm quick to hire out help or to ask for help when it comes to bobbing the building. That's just not me. I know you're probably like, Meshay, you tripping. This thing is so tiny, you can definitely put it together. I just don't like the fact that I even have to put it together. But let me stop complaining. This is a organizer within your cabinets for your cups or plates, however you see fit. So pretty much you can use your cabinetry more so vertically. And now that I'm looking at how long this is, I wonder if it's going to be too long. So we're gonna do some measuring. So before I break this open, I'm gonna see if this can even fit in my cabinets. If you don't know, I do have an Ikea kitchen. My entire kitchen has been renovated. And if you're interested in seeing my entire kitchen or want a tour of it, definitely check it out. I have it linked down below and you can see a little preview over here. Yes, yes. I guess I didn't think this through, but in store they actually had 2 different sizes and maybe I just picked up the wrong one because I actually wanted the smaller version of this. So yeah, the next 2 items come separately, but you use them together. And this is a iPad holder for in the kitchen. So if you are a cooker and you like to have your devices out or your cookbook out as you're cooking, this can essentially hold it for you. Now, once again, I don't even know if I really thought this through. I saw it displayed within one of the kitchens that Ikea has in store. I was like, oh my God, that is so cute. But honestly, why did I even pick this up? Because I am not one of those type of cooks where I'm following a recipe. You know, I need to have my cookbook out or my iPad out and I'm going along like, I don't know. Why did I even buy this? And secondly, I just told y'all, I am not one of those Bob the Builder type of girls. And in order for this to be attached to the wall, I do believe I'm going to have to use screws. So, girl, the concept, the idea was perfect, but I don't think this is perfect for me because me having to use a screwdriver, oh God, I don't, okay. I told y'all, this was not a successful trip to Ikea, but the concept, the idea is very tea. She's very tea, but I just don't think she's tea for me, so. Yeah. Okay, so the last item that I have is not kitchen organization or has nothing to do with the kitchen whatsoever, but it's something that I drastically need because I am tired of looking at the mess when I walk through the door. Your girl picked up a shoe rack organizer situation. This is, if you can kind of see it here, this is what it looks like. I'm going to put this together so you guys can see it in action. When I tell you I am so tired of seeing me and my toddler's shoes all over the floor when we first walk in up the stairs. Girl, I'm tired of it. I genuinely cannot wait to put this bad boy to use and say goodbye to the days of having shoes scattered all over the living room, okay? Now girl, you have made it to the end of the video. Thank you so much for staying and chatting with me throughout this haul. If you can let me know, what do y'all shop for kitchen organization? Are y'all just on Amazon? Do y'all do Temu, Home Goods? Like, where are the girls going? Now girl, before you give me suggestions, make sure that it's affordable, okay? I'm not trying to spend $100 on a kitchen organization tray. That's just, I'm not the type of girl, okay? It needs to look cute and aesthetic, but it needs to be affordable, all right? So if you can do that for me, let me know down in the comments, where are y'all shopping for kitchen organization? Because I was not feeling the stuff at Ikea. It just wasn't giving, the colors weren't giving. It just wasn't me, no girl. But as always, thank you so much for watching and I'll see you in my next video. Bye girl.